We are going to begin with the lesson number 5 of your class 6 English grammar, that is noun. Case. Noun क्या होते हैं? A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. But in this chapter we are going to study about the case. Case is a noun. Case क्या है? Case in noun tell about position and role of a noun in a sentence. कि noun की position क्या है और क्या role है इस sentence पे. Like nominative case में क्या होता है? When a noun act as a subject of the verb in a sentence, कैसे act करता है एक subject की तरह इसकी verb की sentence में, it is said to be the nominative or subjective case. उसको क्या कहते हैं? वो क्या है? Nominative या फिर subjective case में. Like to find noun in nominative case, make a question with what. आपको निकालना है noun किसमें? Nominative case में. तो आपको किससे question करना होगा? What और who before the verb से पहले what या who लगा दोगे, आपको nominative case समझ आ जाएगा. Like question with what is made if noun is a thing. It is if noun is a person who is used to be, we make a question. Now Ajay ate ice cream. Person है ना, तो यहाँ question लगा देंगे who ate ice cream, तो हमारा nominative case सामने आ जाएगा. The question is wrong. What is wrong? So the क्या wrong है? Question wrong है. So Ajay is the subject of the verb ate. Ajay क्या subject है किस verb का? ate का. So question is the subject of the verb is. Question क्या है? किसका subject है? is का. So here Manish and question, here Ajay and question are in the nominative case. किसमें Ajay और question आपका? यहाँ पे Ajay आएगा. So Ajay किस case में? आपका nominative case में. To find out the subject of a verb, put who or what before it. The answer tells you what the subject is. In a sentence 1, who ate ice cream? Ajay. So Ajay is the subject. Ajay ने ice cream खाई तो Ajay क्या हो गया? आपका subject हो गया. In what is wrong? क्या wrong है? Question. तो question is the subject. Object is an accusative case. When noun act as the object of a verb in a sentence, noun कैसे act करता है? Object की तरह verb के किसमें? Sentence में. It is said to be the accusative or objective case. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Accusative या फिर objective case में कहते हैं. It experiences the verb done by the subject. वो क्या experience करता है? जो verb subject ने करा. इसमें हम nominative में क्या होता है? हम subject को ढूंढते हैं. इसमें हम क्या ढूंढेंगे? Object को. So to find out in executive case, make a question with what or whom. What या whom से question बनाना है after the verb and its subject. A noun that comes up after a preposition is also a accusative case. जो noun आपकी किसके बाद आता है? आपके preposition के बाद आता है. preposition के बाद आता है वो क्या होता है? आपका accusative case होता है. And it is known as the objective of person. उसको क्या कहते हैं? Object कहते हैं एक person का. Question with what is made if the noun is thing. Question किससे बनता है? What से. अगर noun क्या आपकी thing है. If the noun is person, then whom is used to make a question. अगर noun क्या है? Person है, तो whom use होता है question बनाने के लिए. Example, Ajay ate ice cream. अजय ने क्या खाया? Who? What does Ajay ate? Ice cream. तो क्या आ गया आपका? ice cream आपका हो गया objective case. So father praised Pam for his sincerity. Father ने किसको praise करा? Pam को करा ना, तो किसके लिए? Sincerity के लिए. In ice cream and Pam क्या है आपका? Ice cream object of the verb ate. Ate का ice cream object और Pam का object क्या है आपका? और Pam object है किसका? Praise का. So the noun ice cream and Pam are the objective and the accusative case. Here to find out the object of a verb, put what or whom. आपको what or whom लिख के आपको पता चल जाएगा object क्या है, accusative क्या है. The answer tell you what the object is. Ajay ate what? Ice cream. So ice cream is the object. Father praised whom? Pam. So Pam क्या हो गया आपका? Object हो गया. Possessive case में क्या होता है? जो possess करता है. Possessive case shows the possession, ownership and authority of a noun. क्या show करता है? Possession show करता है. आपको ownership दिखाता है और authority दिखाता है किसकी? Noun की. So this is the case shows the relationship between two nouns or between a noun or and a proper noun. Case आपकी क्या दिखाता है? Relationship दिखाता है two nouns के बीच में, noun या pronoun के बीच में. The possessive case is made by adding or apostrophe and s to the noun. क्या add करके? Apostrophe add करके, s add करके noun में. And we use the preposition of to show this relationship. Remember either apostrophe and s for preposition or either apostrophe and s for a position of is used to make the possessive case of living beings and personified objects. But to make the possessive case of a living thing, we use only preposition of. Here, like for example, Vijay book is on the table. Vijay's apostrophe s आ गया ना, Vijay की बुक है ना टेबल पे. The dog bit the cat's tail. Dog ने bite करी किसकी? cat की tail. So here apostrophe used to possess shows possession call apostrophe. वो क्या दिखाने के लिए यूज होता है apostrophe? possession दिखाने के लिए यूज करता है कि उसकी है Vijay's cats. So formation of possessive. कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं possessive? apostrophes लग के सिंगुलर में apostrophe s लग जाती है. Arun's car. Singular nouns ending in s. Example Malik's car. Mr. Malik's car. Plural noun ending s. My plural हो गया, parents हो गए ना. Parents के बाद apostrophe लग जाएगा, s के बाद लग जाएगा parents views. Plural noun ending s. Women's hostel. So s is usually not used with non-living thing. ये non-living thing के साथ apostrophe s आपका use नहीं होता. So direct and indirect object. Some verbs like give, ask, offer, promise, tell, teach can take two objects after them. One of these objects refers to some person, the other refers to something. एक इनमें से किस में refer करता है? Some person से, दूसरा same something से. The noun naming the person is said to be the indirect object of the verb. जो noun name कहता है object से, person से, तो उसको क्या कहता है? Indirect object कहता है verb का. So the noun naming the thing, जो noun name कर रही है thing को, is said to be the direct object. उसको क्या कहता है? Direct object कहता है verb का. Look at these two sentences. The teacher taught Raman history. A kind lady gave the child food. In sentence 1, Raman and history are both object. Raman और history दोनों object हो गए. Taught क्या हो गया आपका? Verb हो गया. Raman is the indirect object and the history is the direct object. Raman क्या हो गया? Indirect हो गया और history आपका direct object हो गया. In sentence 2, child and food are both object of the verb gave. क्या है? Child और food क्या है? Object है किसका? Verb का? Gave का. Child क्या है आपका? Indirect object and food क्या है? Direct object है. Most of them the indirect object is placed before the direct object. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.